Hi everyone, today I'm sharing a haul with you guys. I bought some very cute and scrumptious stuff from Simon Says Stamp and MFT. I think that's it, and I'm going to share them with you. So this one is from Whimsy Stamps. It was actually purchased on Simon Says Stamp, and it's designer paper set. So noisy. But it comes with some very pretty paper that I love so much. I already took some of it out because I want to make some cards, but this is actually my favorite. Isn't that pretty? And you get two each of each design, and this can make you a bunch of cards, because all you would have to do is some of them you just add an image or just leave as is, and you would be great. Then I picked up the two of the new Greening Farm stamps. This one is Cheeky Joy. She's so cute. I love her dress, her little dress. And then this one is Miss Anya Jingle. I love Miss Anya images. And the little kitty cat. All is bright. I'm gonna try and make a card before the season end. Then I also got this stencil from Simon Says. It was on the sales rack, and it's this. So I got that, and this one is called Geometric Arcs. Then, oh, it looked like I had some more stuff from Hello Bluebird. I got this this die. Oop, my stuff is all mixed up. This die, this one is called, excuse me, Sunshine Scene. Can't wait to use that. Then I got You Make Me Smile, large die, and this one can cover like the front of a A2 size card, and you just add some little images if you want to. I also got big paper hugs, so cute. And this one we got for free when you spend $100, I believe. And this is Bouquet Buddies. A little doggy and cat is so cute. Let's make sure that's everything from Hello Bluebird. Then from MFT we have Bright Holidays. She's so cute. Then I got Sweetest Safari, and this is number 2. There's number 1. This one was actually on sale, that's why I got him. I'm planning to get number 1 when it goes on sale. So this one is Sweetest Safari number 2. Then I got the stamp Merry Christmas. I love that font. Huge. Also got mini birthday messages. I love that. This big Hey stamp, a little heart. Then I got this Merry Christmas tree. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. That is so cool. Try this one. Then I got a bunch of dies also. I got Sled Duo. Most of these things were on sale. Ice cream cone. And I have the little, what you call those things? The little shaker pouches. to go at the top of the ice cream cone, so you can add some sprinkles or whatever, glitter or whatever. So I got that. Then I got this evergreen tree. I love that it has the little embossed lines. Is it embossed, or you know what I mean, on the tree. Then I got the die to go with the Merry Christmas stamp. I also got this, they sent me an email the other day to give discount to their customers, so I was able to buy something and get one free. So I bought dies that I had my eyes on, and they were very expensive, so that came in good. So I got like 2 for 1, which is good. So I got Blueprints 27, and it comes with a bunch of dies. I especially love this scallop one, and of course the little fishtails. I got Tag Builder Blueprint. Ooh, so much comes in it. So I got, like I said, 2 for 1. Then I also got this what does that say? Modern rectangle. I need to look up the exact name because it's abbreviated back here, so I'm not sure exactly what it's called. But I got this one. See, like one corner is arched. So I got that, and I got this die, brick wall cover up. These were on sale when I got them. I got slanted stripes cover up, and this one is leafy layer cover up. I love this one. I can't wait to do like multicolors for the leaves. Those are all from MFT. And the other day I went on to HSN, and they had these from Crafters Companion. These pretty little stamp sets, and you get the 4. I got the 4 of them at the time it was on sale. I can't remember the price I got them for, but I got the 4 of them. And there's one set for penguins, and this one is a snowman. So I got that one with the tree snowman set. Got this one with the tree. So this one is called Warm Holiday Hugs, The Season for Giving, Christmas Wishes, and Snow is Falling. Then I picked up this because I thought it was super cool. You can use it to make a puzzle with whatever you cut out. Say you want to use it for your paper on a card, or a scrapbook layout, or whatever. Just make a puzzle for someone and send it as a gift, and so they can put it together. I thought that was cool, so I got the 5x7. They had an 8x10, and I think bigger size, I forgot, 11 by something. But this is the smallest one. And I forgot this little one from Simon Says Stamp also. From the Greeting Farm is the Holiday Anya number 9. I love her cap. And then I got a bunch of these sentiment, what are they called? Sentiment cutouts or something. Is that what they're called? But they're all packed with Christmas sentiments. So I just got a bunch of them, all holiday themed, so I can finish up my cards real quick. I make sure I got different ones and different color in black and white. Then I also got the Hero Arts kit, holiday kit. I got it before it sold out. But I thought the elves, all the head pieces was so cool. I don't know if you guys saw it online, but this kit comes with a clear stamp set, coordinating dies to make the head of a Santa, an elf or elves, reindeer. So cool. I love that it has the hat, the scarf. See his face or her face. So cool. So I got that, so I can't wait to make some cards with that also. And then I got this because I love this little man right here. I forgot what they call these, but this is vintage toy fancy dies. So a teddy bear, a tap, a little rocking horse, and then somebody can remind me what this is called. And then I got this also from Whimsy. I saw someone talked about it on one of their videos. I think it was Jennifer Maguire. So I went and got it. I think it's so cute because it has those those lines in the center of the die, and then you have the scallop area. There's a 2-piece. So I love that. So I'm going to sit down now and make a bunch of cards to give to my co-workers and neighbors and stuff. And I'll see you guys for the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.